Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at an October surprise snowstorm coming into the Midwest and dropping at least a couple inches in Minnesota and around that area. As we take a look, you can see the storm coming out of southwestern Canada, coming into Wyoming, and then moving into the Midwest. As it interacts with the cold air, you can see it leaves a trail of snowfall falling down. As we continue, Minnesota and northern Wisconsin will get the bulk of this system. This is a clipper system, so it will not move slowly. So it will drop a couple inches of snow, but then it will move out and get warmer from there. As we continue, you could see another storm comes in, and this is only 90 hours away. So you could tell this is most likely what's going to happen. Anything could change, but there is definitely going to be another system after the first clipper system. It will drop snowfall for northern Minnesota and extreme northern Wisconsin, but it will quickly go over terrain because there is less cold air in this system than the last one. As we continue, maybe another system tries to form, but this is starting to get far out, and we have no clue what's going to happen. Finally, you have a big cold pressure coming down from the Antarctic. Is causing massive cold air coming all the way into Florida, and this decides to stick around a while. Even to November 1st it's still here. This is hours and hours away, so that might not be the case. Every day it changes. As we take a look at the snowfall map, you can see it drops a good amount of snow for Michigan, extreme northern Michigan, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. You have a range of 5 to 8 inches in this pink area. The purple 3 to 5, and the white is like 3 to 4 inches. And the light blue, nothing too crazy there. As the next system comes, you can see a couple inches here. This is a bit much, I think, from the storm, but it shows you could get at least 16 inches. Well, you have to minus, you see this 2 here, minus 2 from that spot. So yeah, you get 14 inches in that spot. I don't think that'll be the case, because this will be heavy wet snow. This isn't going to be powdery snow that quickly piles up. It's going to be snow that just compacts and everything and stays there. It's going to be hard to melt. The NAM shows almost the same thing as the GFS, but it doesn't have as much snow, but the expansion of the snow gets wider. I think it's overdoing this with the expansion of the snow, but anything can happen. This is what it shows. It shows a clipper system coming through Iowa, into Illinois, and into Michigan. Quick passing system. This is what not the GFS, this is what the Euro shows. It shows it coming down from Canada, goes into Minnesota, drops a big dump of snowfall, and it quickly gets out of here. The next system starts to get its act together, not as strong as the GFS it shows, but then it quickly gets out of here again. It shows another system coming for the Midwest. It's a parade of storms, and then out from here it's just goes everywhere. The European decides to show us a good amount of snow here too. It shows a good 5 to 8 inches in this pink right here again, the same as the GFS. After that storm, it shows a big dump of snowfall again, but not in Minnesota. It shows it in North Dakota this time. And then out from there, it just gets crazy. This is what I think will happen here. In the light blue here, you'll get a coating to inch is likely in this light blue. Anywhere from northwestern Montana all the way down into South Dakota and even into Iowa. Parts of Iowa will get some snow in this storm. In the blue, you'll get 1 to 3 inches. So anywhere from Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, North Dakota, and Montana will get anywhere from 1 to 3. Anywhere in the dark blue, we'll see 3 to 5 inches of snow. That's anywhere from northeastern part of Montana, North Dakota, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Now this is a jackpot area of the storm. This pink area 5 to 8 inches of snow. This will be heavy compact snow that will forever be, well, not forever, that will be there for a couple days until the next system comes and starts to wash out the rain. This could lead to massive power outages, because heavy snow likes to hang on things and sit there for a while. If we take a look into the long range here, it shows again, we're back to this. It shows a ridge out here in the west coast again. And it shows a possible nor'easter try to come up the coast, but this is, again, very far out. This is very far out. It shows a clipper system coming down into the US, but then the Atlantic moisture interacts. It's just all crazy. I wouldn't look at this, take this into consideration, but the Icon model, which is somewhat good in the winter, actually has a storm more snow than rain by 21 hours in. Oh, no, excuse me. 21 hours on Tuesday. Actually, look how heavy that snow is. That is really heavy for that part of the area. It shows almost the same thing as the NAM, but not as widespread. This, I actually agree with this here. You get 5 to 8 inches in this purple area, and not too heavy snow around that area. Alright guys, I'm going to end it here. I hope everybody had a good day, and stay safe, and enjoy the October snow.